Welcome to our in-depth review of the Nintendo Switch OLED, a significant iteration of Nintendo's hybrid gaming console. If you're considering an upgrade or are new to the Switch family, this video will break down everything you need to know, from its vibrant OLED screen to its improved design, performance, and overall value. Stick around to see if the Nintendo Switch OLED is the gaming console you've been waiting for. Let's kick things off with the most noticeable feature, the stunning OLED display. The Nintendo Switch OLED boasts a 7-inch screen, a considerable improvement over the original 6.2-inch LCD. The difference in picture quality is immediately apparent. Colors are richer. Blacks are deeper, and everything from fast-paced action games to atmospheric adventures looks more vivid and immersive. Whether you're battling foes in The Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild, or enjoying cozy indie titles, the OLED screen elevates the visual experience. The build quality of the OLED model has also seen significant improvements. Nintendo has added a sturdier kickstand that spans the full width of the console, addressing one of the most frequent complaints about the original Switch. This new stand is fully adjustable, making tabletop gaming much more practical and enjoyable. Gone are the days of precariously balancing your console during multiplayer sessions. The OLED model is built for stability and convenience. When it comes to storage, the Switch OLED now includes 64GB of internal memory, double that of its predecessors. While it's still advisable to invest in a microSD card for serious gamers with large libraries, the increased storage is a welcome enhancement, especially for those who frequently download games and updates. Audio quality has also been improved. The onboard speakers deliver clearer and louder sound, which makes a noticeable difference when gaming in handheld or tabletop mode. The enhanced audio pairs beautifully with the OLED screen to create a more engaging portable gaming experience. Docked mode also receives an upgrade with the OLED model. The new dock features a built-in wired LAN port, which is a game-changer for players who want a stable internet connection for online gaming. Whether you're competing in Mario Kart 8 Deluxe or teaming up with friends in Splatoon 3, the LAN port ensures smoother gameplay with reduced lag. While the console's performance remains largely unchanged, running on the same NVIDIA Tegra X1 chipset as previous models, the quality of life improvements more than make up for the lack of a hardware boost. Of course, the Switch OLED still shines brightest in its versatility. With its 3 play modes, handheld, tabletop, and docked, it adapts effortlessly to your gaming style. Whether you're gaming solo on the go, hosting a party with friends, or enjoying big screen play at home, the OLED model delivers. That said, it's important to address who the Nintendo Switch OLED is for. If you already own a standard Nintendo Switch and primarily play in docked mode, the improvements might not feel essential. However, for handheld gamers or those upgrading from the Switch Lite, the OLED screen and enhanced build quality make a compelling case for this model. The price tag is another consideration. The OLED model costs more than the standard Switch, but it's not as expensive as competing next-gen consoles like the PS5 or Xbox Series X. For fans of Nintendo's exclusive game library, the OLED model offers a premium experience without breaking the bank. In summary, the Nintendo Switch OLED is a fantastic upgrade for gamers who value portability and visual quality. It doesn't reinvent the wheel, but its enhancements are meaningful and elevate the gaming experience. Whether you're a seasoned Nintendo fan or new to the platform, the Switch OLED strikes a perfect balance between functionality and fun.